What's up guys, I'm Crickett with Drift HQ and today we're going to talk about my most used piece of equipment. So a lot of you guys would guess that it was my plasma cutter. It actually isn't, it's my welder. And for some of you guys that don't know who I am the fabricator for Drift HQ. I've been building cars for them for about 7 years, maybe 8 years. And I do a lot of the welding for them. I've used a lot of equipment. I've gone from the cheapest eBay welder you can get to one of the top brands and multiple top brands of welders. So I'm happy to say that throughout that experience, I've got to use all these different machines, and this past month I was able to talk to Everlast welders and they became a partner with us. So I was able to put in some seat time on this new Everlast Typhoon 230. And let me tell you, I love it. So this is quickly becoming a favorite for hobbyists as well as professional welders throughout the market because it holds such a stable arc and all of the different features that it comes with. All right, so when you purchase your Everlast welder from everlastgenerators.com, you actually get all of this stuff on the table. So it's gonna come fully equipped for you to plug and play. So it's gonna come with your welder, it's gonna come with a wired foot pedal. It actually comes with 2 different torches. So it comes with a 9 and a 20, and the 20 actually comes with a swivel head on it already. So you don't have to buy an additional torch if you want one of the adjustable ones that swivel. It comes with consumables as well, so you have your cups and everything to be able to put on there for aluminum, steel and stainless steel. And if you don't like to use your pedal, they have a finger trigger on them. And one of them already comes mounted up and it comes with extra zip ties so you can mount these finger trigger on here for just start and stop. Comes with your normal ground with a nice brass clamp and it's really strong. Has great ground to it, and if you're a stick welder, it comes with the stick. So, and obviously it will come with your regulator that goes onto your tank. Use 100% argon when you're using a TIG welder. Stick, you don't actually need anything because it comes with the flux on the stick. So if you don't have the option for the 240 and you want to use 120, it actually comes with a plug already. So you don't have to do any additional wiring or anything for this machine. You literally plug it into itself. The computer or motherboard already knows that you switched it to the 120 plug, so it'll only let you set the parameters up to 125 amps. So if you want, there is an additional option. You can get a bundle for this. With the bundle, I'm gonna show you. For you guys that do a lot of welding, like aluminum for instance, and your torch tip gets really hot, Everlast comes with a cooler that you can integrate into the 230 Typhoon, and it comes to where you can plug it in into the back of the machine. So it has its own individual spot for your cooler, so you don't have to have any additional wires running to the machine or onto your cart, so you can plug it directly into that. The cooler comes with 2 settings. You can have it always on or on demand. So you can set that up in the parameters of the welder itself. It also comes with the package a Bluetooth foot pedal by Nova. And this thing is sweet. It actually integrates right to the Everlast as well. It has a plug already set on the back of the welder for you to plug in your provisions for your Bluetooth pedal. Then it has 1 wire going to the front of the machine that plugs in, and then everything is just, you turn it on and start going. It has an additional option for a plug-in to recharge the battery off station, and you can just have it on your toolbox. One more cool thing you can get from Everlast while I'm on the additional bundle package, they have their master kit, and that comes with all of your great big size cups for doing titanium, for nice stainless work, and then it goes down to the even smaller ones. If you're working with aluminum and stuff and you still like a lot of gas flow, you can get really nice small size number 5, 4, and 3 cups. One more thing, all of this is really heavy. So with the bundle comes a Nova welding cart that can handle the weight of your welder, your cooler, and a huge 300 tank. So I have one right there. That's a 300 tank right there. It fits on there. Very sturdy. So Nova comes up with some really great stuff. This is available on the website as well. So it comes with AC, DC, TIG, and stick options for the machine, which is really great. And it has a 70% duty cycle at the 230 max amps that the machine puts out. Both TIG and stick feature adjustable AC parameters for better arc control as well. The large HD screen and digital display on this allows you to actually see what you're doing with your welding helmet on, which is crazy. The intuitive layout with the one screen eliminates any option for any hidden screens on this. So you can get to every option you want to from here. So one of the cool things is they have the green screen up here that tells you exactly what all the settings are currently. So I'm at TIG, I'm not at stick. I'm running AC and all the settings are at manual. So I can go through this if I want to and go through all my different settings that I want and change them with just this dial. If I want to change it, I click on it and then I can change my frequency from my hertz. AC actually goes up to 500 hertz in AC. In DC, it'll go up to 999.9 hertz, which is crazy. So you have multiple different amplitude things as well, so you can set your amplitude on this, and that's where you hit the hold button, and you can go over to amplitude, and you can set it on. And that gives you a whole lot more options on the welder itself. So one of the few welders that give you an amplitude option on it. And that actually allows you to increase the amplitude on this machine, so it gives you a lot better penetration. So this is a 230, it goes up to 230 amps, but with setting your amplitude on and turning that up, you can actually get the penetration that you would normally get on a 300 amp machine and only having a 230 amp machine, which is really cool. So that's one of the things that they offer that nobody else really offers, is the amplitude setting to give you higher penetration for your metals, even though you don't have a machine that's big enough to do it. Sweet feature. So we're gonna turn that off, get rid of all those other adjustments. Everything's really easy to use. So they have a HV start, which is a high voltage start, which is basically an electronic solid state version of a high frequency start, but it's a lot stronger and it has a lot less fluctuations in it. Cool thing on this, you can actually set your tungsten as well. So this thing will set up everything for you. You can set your tungsten to whatever your tungsten setting is, and it'll automatically change the settings on the control board for you to set it for whatever tungsten you're doing. It'll also let you fine tune everything. But if you're an easygoing guy and you just want to jump on the thing and go, they have a power set. This button right here is how you get, this is one of the few things that'll jump to a different screen, and you hit power set and that just sets it up super easy. So you can say, it'll tell you what cup size to use. You can use what thickness you're working with. So if you want to go to set my amps, get that set, I'll press that, go to the next one, work thickness. So I can work whatever metal thickness I want to, and it'll automatically turn up the settings for me, so I don't have to guess. So if I want to do 3/8 inch, it'll go to 193 amps. Once I set that, I can go over to tungsten diameter, and then it'll cross off what's not allowed. So it won't let me go to a smaller one than 1/16. So 1/16 and 1/32. Then I can go to my joint type and tell it what I'm actually doing on the machine. Either a V-groove, a lap, a butt, a corner, or an outside corner. And it sets everything for you. Remote, you can do 2T, 4T, 2T plus remote. You can give all the different options that you need on there. Profiled pulse, if you want to have a pulse on there. There is actually 10 different pre-settings for profiled pulse. So you can go through them. If you don't want to mess with the pulse settings and try to figure out what works best for you, they already have 10 of them pre-programmed in, which is really sweet. Let's see if I hit the right button. Yeah, I did. Yeah, see, look, select pulse profile. So it'll give you 10 preset ones already good to go. So you can set whichever ones you want. So yeah, that's the quick power set one. So for those who are beginners who don't really know how to use the big screen, the main screen that you're gonna do all of your settings on, they have one that is very user-friendly. Anybody can use it. You can jump on, hop on and use it. I bet Joel after this video is gonna hop on and do it as well. So you also have your spot up here. So between AC/DC for your TIG, and then you can go from AC/DC for your stick. The only thing you would have to do is unplug your torch and plug in the actual stick attachment for it, and then you can stick weld for it. So there is one other hidden screen on here. There's only one screen plus your power set screen, and that is for your fans and your cooler. And there's 3 settings for your fan. You can have it always on demand, or on temp. Your cooler can only be on full-time or on demand. I don't even know how to get to the hidden screen. I was gonna look it up, but I don't mess with the factory. So if I don't want my cooler on, say I'm doing tack welding or whatever, I can turn it off. If I wanna do long runs and keep my tungsten cool, I can just turn that on and it'll automatically turn on for me and do everything that I want. So I love it. Only one hidden screen, so don't worry about it. A couple of other cool options they have is a spot weld option. So you know how if it's a pain in the ass to just go and spot weld things, it's not that easy. This has an option for it. So you go right over to spot, you can turn that on, and it'll already set the arc for a spot weld. Now, if you're doing really, really thin stuff, so for DC, they have a spot fast tack option. And what that does is you can use it for a spot tack, or if you're doing really thin stainless, they have the fast tack, which that actually just does a lot of tacks for you. So you can just go through and burn through the thin stainless without adding any filler rod, and it's gonna do very low frequency, very low amps. So it'll just tack it, but it'll tack it really fast. It's almost like a laser welder, in my opinion. So you have a fast tack option and then a spot option. So when you get your stuff dialed in on this, you actually have enough room to save 30 programs. Say I'm working with stainless and then I have to jump over to aluminum, but I just got my stainless tied in, I can actually take and save my program, and they give you up to 30 different ones. And it'll tell you what it is and how everything is set up, and then you can save it, which is really sweet. So when someone comes into your shop and needs to use your welder, oh, I just need to do something real quick. Yeah, go right ahead. You don't have to worry about them messing with all your dials and ruining your settings that you just had done and you were welding perfectly, and they come in and weld something completely different and start messing with your dial. You can save it, so it doesn't happen anymore. You don't have to yell at your buddies for using your welder and messing up your settings. Right, Joel? Yeah, so save your work. Just like on your computer, you can save it. This has a hard drive and a motherboard in it. So you can save all of your settings. Don't have to worry about it. Oh, I had this set so good that one time. Well, you can go back into that one time and find it and click it and it'll go to it. This machine from Everlast is actually the only one in the US market that has 5 independent waveform settings. So you can come down here to your pulse, click that on. You got advanced square, triangle, sine, trapezoid. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's in AC. Standard, advanced, and then your other 3 that are on there. So you have 5 different waveforms. So that's the only machine in North America that actually offers it for sale. So if you need any of those, say you're doing a lot of different aluminum welding that you have to have a certain type of one to do, you can do that. Same thing with stainless steel. Oh, another cool thing that's coming out, it's not out yet, so I actually can't show you how to use it, but they have a dual pulse coming out that's meant for making your aluminum very clean, and then also for titanium. So stay tuned for that. If you already have this machine, don't worry, they're offering an upgrade, and all you gotta do is download the stuff and plug it into your machine with a USB cable, and it can automatically upload in the machine and program it. So if you've already bought one of these and you didn't get the dual pulse action that's coming out, don't worry. You can still buy the machine, still start using it, because when the new upgrade comes out for the firmware for the motherboard, they'll actually just send it to you and you can upload it into the machine and it's already pre-programmed. Another cool feature about this is the customer support. Let's talk about customer support. If anything breaks on this, they'll troubleshoot it with you over the phone. And if it's something that they feel that you can fix and you feel that you can fix as well, they'll just send you the part. You don't have to send out your whole welder to get fixed. It's a lot faster for them just to send you the part. And most of the parts on this can be changed within 20 minutes. Free shipping for the first 3 years on it if you need to send it back to the company and get it fixed, and they'll fix it for you. Otherwise, they'll just send you the parts, and then you can call them when the parts get there, and they'll go over exactly how to install them on the machine or take off the old broken parts. So check them out for yourself at everlastgenerators.com. All right, guys, so this is a little different video than what we're used to normally doing, but I've had a lot of questions, people asking what type of welders do I use, what do I like to use, what's my preference, what's my settings. So this is a way to go over, one, a new product that I've been using for a couple of months and have got to dial in and really get my hands dirty, seeing how much this machine works well and does what I need it to do for the type of work that we have. So I really love this welder. I hope you guys liked the video, liked me describing everything about it, going over it. If you have any ideas on the things that you would like us to go over, like for instance, the different type of tools that Chris uses for his normal mechanics day to day, let us know. We love you guys. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you go check yourself out an Everlast welder. If you're getting into welding, they're very affordable for what you get. Go check them out. Hope you like them. Stay tuned for more.